We are a symphony of souls, each playing a unique melody. Our individual notes harmonize, creating a breathtaking composition. From bustling cities to serene mountaintops, humanity seeks truth. Though our paths may differ, our destination is shared. We are united by an invisible thread, woven through the tapestry of existence. This is the essence of our shared humanity. In the heart of ancient temples, bathed in golden light, wisdom whispers. Incense dances on the air, carrying prayers of generations past. Monks in saffron robes move with quiet grace, their chants echoing through hallowed halls. These sacred spaces hold the energy of countless seekers. Each stone, each inscription, a testament to the enduring human spirit. We are drawn to these places, seeking solace, seeking connection. In modern laboratories, minds ablaze with curiosity explore the universe. Scientists, with eyes wide with wonder, unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Telescopes reach for distant galaxies, their lenses capturing the light of stars born eons ago. From the smallest atom to the vast expanse of space, we find patterns, connections, a language waiting to be deciphered. Science, like spirituality, is a quest for understanding, a journey to the heart of existence. Beside a tranquil mountain stream, a yogi sits in deep meditation. His breath mingles with the wind in the trees, his thoughts still as the water reflecting the sky. He sees the interconnectedness of all things, the oneness that binds us. A preacher, filled with the Spirit, shares a message of love and hope. Her words resonate with the longing in our hearts, reminding us of our shared humanity. We are all reflections of the One, sparks of the divine flame. As the river of time flows towards the infinite ocean of eternity, let us remember our shared journey. We are all interconnected, bound by the universal truth that resides within each of us. Let us embrace our diversity, celebrate our unity, and create a world filled with peace, love, and understanding. The stars above shine brightly, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that await us.